Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Microsoft Authenticator for passwordless login setup step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring you have the Microsoft Authenticator app installed on your mobile device. Open the app and sign in with your Microsoft account if prompted. On your computer, navigate to the Microsoft account security page. Sign in using your Microsoft account credentials. In the security settings, look for the option labeled Security Info. Click on Add Method to begin the process of adding a new authentication method. From the drop-down menu, select Authenticator app, click Add. You will see a QR code displayed on your computer screen. Now, return to the Microsoft Authenticator app on your mobile device. Tap on the plus icon or Add Account option. Select Work or School account for the type of account. Use your mobile device's camera to scan the QR code displayed on your computer. Once the QR code is scanned, your account will be added to the app. You may receive a notification to approve the login request. At this point, enter the verification code provided by the Microsoft Authenticator into your computer. After entering the code, click Verify to confirm the setup. Once verified, you will receive a confirmation that the Authenticator is successfully set up. You can now use Microsoft Authenticator for passwordless login to your Microsoft account. Finish by testing the new setup by signing out and attempting to sign in again. Make sure to follow the prompts in the Microsoft Authenticator app to approve your login. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.